AAPC conferences provide the most relevant and timely education in the business of healthcare industry. Annual national and regional events offer a broad scope of breakout sessions to get you all the training you need in medical coding, billing, auditing, compliance, revenue cycle, and practice management. You will learn from experts in various fields who are also professional presenters, ensuring that each session is interactive and engaging, all while providing the continuing education units you need to maintain your certifications. Conferences are also phenomenal networking opportunities. Meet with other industry professionals to learn from their experiences and build lasting relationships for future support and mutual benefit. Many attendees return every year to see the same friendly faces they know from past events. Each conference hosts a wide variety of healthcare industry exhibitors who are ready to share cutting-edge technology and products that can streamline your daily workload. Of course, numerous exhibitors also means numerous freebies, giveaways, contests, and raffles, which contributes to the fun and dynamic atmosphere of the exhibiting area. And speaking of fun and dynamic, AAPC conferences are always held in first-class cities with much to offer after event hours. Each location is carefully selected for the best accommodations attendees can enjoy and the close proximity to local attractions, entertainment, and fine dining. Whether you come to conference alone, with a colleague, or with your whole family, take advantage of the travel opportunity and capitalize on the popular area sights, sounds, and tastes. The memories you create will become the best souvenirs. Come ready to learn, connect with others, and enjoy your time with AAPC. When you return home, your coworkers will notice the improvement in your enthusiasm, proficiency, and expertise. We look forward to seeing you soon.